Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of installing Facebook Lite on your smartphone. If you're looking for a lighter and faster version of the Facebook app, this full guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. Step 1. To download Facebook Lite, you need to open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Locate the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap on it to launch the Play Store. Step 2. In the Play Store, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Facebook Lite in the search bar and tap the search icon or hit enter on your keyboard to initiate the search. Step 3. Now, an application with the title Lite will appear in the search results. You can recognize the app by its logo, which is an inverted Facebook logo with blue in the F and white in the background. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct app. Step 4. To install Facebook Lite, tap and hold on the app icon, or simply tap on it and then press the install button. Now, sit back and wait for the app to be fully downloaded. The installation process may take a few moments depending on your internet connection and device speed. Once the app is successfully installed, you can tap on the Open button if you're ready to start using Facebook Lite. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to install Facebook Lite on your smartphone. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy a more streamlined and efficient Facebook experience. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We're here to help you out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.